Linking your bank to Honeydue is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively with your partner. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Download the Honeydue app. Begin by downloading the Honeydue app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. After logging in, go to the Settings or Account Management section of the app. Look for an option that says Link Bank Account or Add Bank. Step 3. Choose your bank. In the bank linking section, you will see a list of supported banks. Search for your bank by name or browse through the list. Once you find your bank, select it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your banking credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your credentials, follow any additional prompts to verify your identity, such as two-factor authentication. Once completed, your bank account should be linked to Honeydue, allowing you to track your finances seamlessly. Now that you have linked your bank account to Honeydue, you can start managing your finances with your partner effectively. Enjoy the benefits of shared budgeting and financial tracking.